Greet the day with a sense of wanderlust and welcome to your favorite channel, Traveling Kangaroo. We're about to whisk you away on a virtual journey to the most romantic beaches around the globe. Imagine crystal blue waters, warm sandy beaches, and unforgettable sunsets. From the tropical paradise of Bora to the stunning cliffside beaches of Italy's Amalfi coast, we'll tour 5 of the world's most enchanting seaside destinations. So fasten your virtual seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey. Our first stop is the breathtaking Bora in French Polynesia. This island paradise is a symphony of color, with turquoise blue lagoons that sparkle under the tropical sun and vibrant coral reefs teeming with life. Luxurious resorts dot the landscape, offering overwater bungalows that provide an intimate connection with the surrounding nature. At the heart of the island, the majestic Mount Otomanu stands as a sentinel, its jagged peaks wrapped in the mystique of ancient legends. This iconic landmark adds a dramatic backdrop to an already stunning scenery. Bora has earned a reputation as a honeymoon destination, and it's easy to see why. The tranquil, romantic ambiance is palpable, as the island seems to exist in its own serene bubble, away from the hustle and bustle of the world. Whether you're strolling hand in hand along the white sandy beaches or sharing a candlelit dinner under the starlit sky, Bora offers an idyllic setting for love to bloom, making it a top choice for couples. Next, we are whisked away to the paradisiacal Maldives. This archipelago, nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean, is renowned for its pristine white beaches that seem to stretch into infinity. Each grain of sand sparkles under the radiant sun, painting a picture of untouched beauty. But it's not just the beaches that allure. The Maldives is home to clear azure waters that mirror the sky. Beneath the surface, a hidden world teems with life. Vibrant coral reefs, inhabited by a dazzling array of marine life, are a sight to behold. For the adventurous, snorkeling and diving offer an intimate encounter with this underwater spectacle. Then there are the overwater bungalows and private island resorts. These unique accommodations offer an unrivaled level of privacy and luxury, making them perfect for couples. Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves, spending the day at leisure, and witnessing the sun dip below the horizon from your own private deck. The Maldives provides a private sanctuary for lovers, a true romantic paradise. We now move to the Exotic Seychelles, a gem in the Indian Ocean. This archipelago is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to a plethora of unique species that color the landscape with a vibrant touch of nature. From the lively Aldabra giant tortoises to the enchanting Coco de Mer palms, Seychelles' wildlife is as diverse as it is captivating. Seychelles is also known for its unique rock formations that tell tales of the Earth's ancient history. These granitic formations, worn by time and weather, add a dramatic touch to the tranquil beaches. Speaking of beaches, Seychelles boasts some of the most secluded stretches of sand, offering an intimate experience away from the crowds. This tropical paradise has been a royal favorite, famously chosen as the honeymoon destination for Prince William and Kate Middleton. The sight of the sun setting over the ocean here is simply mesmerizing, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange. With its natural beauty, Seychelles creates a magical backdrop for romance. Our journey continues to the tropical paradise of Maui, Hawaii. This enchanting island is a symphony of contrasts. Imagine the allure of black sand beaches, a rare sight that adds an exotic touch to your romantic escapade. Venture further and you'll be greeted by lush rainforests, a vibrant palette of greens that feels like stepping into a painting. Just when you think Maui has shown all its cards, it presents the scenic road to Hana, a winding journey that unfolds like a storybook, with each turn revealing a new spectacle of nature's grandeur. But what truly crowns Maui as a haven for romance is its reputation for mesmerizing sunrises and sunsets. Picture yourself and your partner, hand in hand, as the sky paints a masterpiece of warm hues, a perfect backdrop to a day filled with love and adventure. Maui offers a blend of adventure and romance, a perfect treat for lovebirds. We conclude our trip with the picturesque Amalfi coast in Italy. Picture this: quaint, colorful cliffside villages peppered along the steep terrain, overlooking the crystal-clear azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Each twist and turn of the coastline reveals a new, breathtaking view that seems almost surreal. And it's not just about the views. The Amalfi Coast is a culinary delight too. Imagine sharing a dish of freshly caught seafood, a plate of spaghetti alle vongole, or a slice of delizioso limoncello cake with your loved one. Then there are the romantic boat tours. Imagine drifting along the coast, the warm sun on your skin, the gentle lull of the waves, the coastal breeze playing with your hair, all around you the vibrant colors of the Italian coast painting a picture-perfect setting. Amalfi Coast with its captivating beauty is a testament to love itself. This is Traveling Kangaroo, signing off from the heart of Italy. And that concludes our romantic voyage across the globe. We've traversed the planet, soaking in the sun and the sea, from the dreamy blues of Bora in French Polynesia to the idyllic islands of the Maldives. Each destination has its own unique charm, making it a perfect retreat for couples seeking a romantic getaway. We marveled at the surreal beauty of Bora, where azure waters meet lush greenery, creating a paradise that is nothing short of a dream. The Maldives, with its shimmering sands and crystal-clear waters, offers a tranquil escape, promising unforgettable memories. We then journeyed to Seychelles, a haven of natural beauty, where the pristine beaches are as welcoming as the warm smiles of its people. And who can forget the tropical allure of Maui, Hawaii? With its breathtaking sunsets and vibrant culture, it's a destination that truly celebrates love. Lastly, we explored the timeless beauty of Italy's Amalfi Coast. With its picturesque landscapes, charming villages, and tranquil beaches, it's an epitome of romance. Each of these destinations offers a unique blend of natural beauty, tranquility, and culture, making them ideal for a romantic retreat. So whether you're planning a honeymoon, an anniversary trip, or simply a romantic escape, these spots are sure to kindle the flame of love. Thank you for joining Traveling Kangaroo on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website, travelingkangaroo.com, for more travel inspirations. Until our next adventure, keep the wanderlust alive.